Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you recipe and review of Suhana Veg Biryani mix. This 50 gram biryani mix pack will cost you rupees 45, and here at the back of the pack we have the recipe which anyway we are going to see. So cut the pack and take out the biryani mix in a bowl. You can smell the strong flavor of the spices here. Here goes 100 gram of curd. Just mix it, make the paste of this. It blends very easily. Now keep this aside and we are going to use this later. We have to boil biryani rice, so first soak the biryani rice for 30 minutes, that's a must. In boiling water, add the whole spices, a tablespoon of salt and the soaked biryani rice. Now cook the basmati rice in boiling water for exactly 5 minutes to get the right doneness, which is 70%. Now switch off the flame and drain the rice well to get rid of any excess water. So here I have 150 gram of paneer cubes which I already shallow fried. We will use it in the gravy. In a pan, heat 2 spoons of oil and add big chopped onion. On medium heat, fry them, stirring often. They turn uniformly light brown. This is the correct color of onions. Now add the biryani paste which we prepared. Here goes 300 gram of veggies of your choice. Paneer, I'm going to add it at the last. Now give it a mix and here goes 100 ml of water. Lower the flame completely, cover and cook until veggies are completely cooked. Once the veggies are done, I'm going to add fried paneer cubes. We have the gravy ready now. This is the final step of layering. Now take a heavy bottom pan and add layer of half of the rice. Top off with the gravy layer. Now chopped coriander and mint leaves, a brown onions and roasted cashews. And repeat this layering process. So there is this another layer of rice, then fried onion, coriander and mint leaves, remaining gravy. Now cover tightly with a lid and make sure that the pan is sealed with dough to prevent steam from escaping. And finally cook this on low flame for 10 minutes. And there you go. The whole process will take 40-45 minutes. The result of your labor will look like this. This biryani is on spicier side. So if you love spicy food, you should give this a try and subscribe for more videos.